Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 lag, ping, and packet loss on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch me until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, the main option is going to go to the settings inside the game, go to game, and as you can see, there's going an option to be buffering to smooth over packet loss / jitter. If you're experiencing packet loss, then you can change to 1 tick or 2, make it to 1 tick, and then press back to the home screen. From there, you're going to exit the game. Once you do that, you're going to go and open CMD, and then from here right click and go to run as administrator, and then go to yes. From here, you're going to copy and paste those codes one by one individually on your CMD, run them and press enter, and then when you finish with all of them until the last one, you're going to close it, close CMD, and then restart your computer. After that, you're going to search for graphics, and then from here you're going to see reduce latency and improve performance is on, and then from here you're going to browse for an app. So we're going to browse for Counter-Strike. To do that, we're going to go back to our Steam. Right here on Counter-Strike 2, right click, go to properties, go to installed files, browse. In this window, go on game, and then from here go to Ben and Win64, and you'll see cs2.exe. So we're going to copy this file path and then go back to the settings, then browse, then paste it right here. And from here, we're going to select cs2.exe, add it, and then from here, you're going to go to options and then high performance and then save. Then from there, last option, you're going to go to network, reset. Then from here, you're going to reset your network on your computer, and hopefully that should help you reduce all the packet loss while playing in game. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.